What if I told you your recycling bin is actually a designer showroom? Sparkles most people see. Trash. I see Material Alchemy. Today, we're decoding the upcycle revelation, turning basic pots and bottles into high-end, breathtaking artistry. Let's turn your cheap into chic. Welcome back to Beki Décor, the sanctuary for organic modernism and tactile luxury. I'm Beki. If you've been craving a home that feels like a soulful, expensive gallery but your budget says otherwise, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we are mastering easy DIY plant pot painting and creative bottle crafts. I'm sharing my senior designer secrets on how to use texture, tone, and the golden ratio to create restorative sanctuaries on a budget. We aren't just making things, we are curating a frequency. Let's stay grounded and get started. Designer Secret 1. The Aged Stone Revelation. Pot painting. Luxury begins with material honesty. To turn a basic $2 terracotta pot into a travertine masterpiece, we use the textural dialogue technique. Mix your acrylic paint, shades of mushroom or tobacco, with baking soda until it reaches the consistency of thick frosting. Don't brush it on. Dapple it with a sea sponge. This creates architectural depth and a porous, stone-like finish that mimics high-end European imports. Designer Secret 2. Sculptural silhouettes, bottle crafting. Next, we move to cheap creative DIY bottle crafts. Take those old wine or olive oil bottles and strip the labels. We aren't just painting them, we are creating frosted soul. Using a matte, sea glass, spray, or a simple dusting of flour over wet paint, we transform clear glass into opaque sculptures. Practical tip. Focus on bottles with unique neck lengths to create a sophisticated silhouette that anchors a bookshelf. Designer Secret 3. The golden ratio of styling. Once your pieces are dry, we apply the golden ratio for arrangement. Don't just place one pot alone. Group your DIY crafts in threes. If your tallest bottle is H, your secondary piece should be H2 is approximately equal to H times 0.618. This creates a breathtaking composition that feels balanced to the human eye, turning a craft into a curated installation. Designer Secret 4. Linear rhythm. Patterning. For the pots, we add linear rhythm. Using a fine line brush, add simple, vertical, matchstick lines around the rim. This mimics architectural slat walls and adds a layer of sophisticated warmth. It's the difference between a DIY project and bespoke artistry. Designer Secret 5. Atmospheric composition. Final setup. The final 10% is shadow architecture. Place your new, stone, pots and frosted bottles where the sun hits the wall. The texture you created with the baking soda will cast tiny shadows, giving your project a 3D, high-end feel. You've successfully transformed your space for under $10. As you look at these pieces today, I hope you see more than just paint and glass. I hope you see the beauty that was hiding in plain sight, and the creative power hiding within you. We don't need a lot of money to create a sanctuary. We just need a little soul and a lot of intention. Thank you for spending these moments with me at Beki Décor. Your journey toward a more soulful, grounded home is what makes this community shine. If you're ready for your own material revelation, please subscribe and let me know in the comments. What's the one item in your recycling bin you're going to transform first? I'll see you in the next one. Stay inspired and stay grounded.